Hello guys, good morning. So today I have a video to make which is going to be regarding an external hard drive. Here I have a laptop hard drive which is a 2.5-inch hard drive which is generally used in laptops. So what has happened is that the laptop stopped working. It had Windows 10 on it installed, so it's got a lot of data. I had to remove the data. I couldn't access it. So if you are suffering with the same problem, I would ideally tell you that to remove the hard drive, there are different tutorials for different computers how to remove the hard drive. Take out the hard drive. This is how it will look, a 2.5-inch hard drive. Then there'll be some protective casing. You can just remove that as well by using a Phillips screwdriver, just one like that, which will make things easier. And then you could order an external hard drive enclosure or a caddy, whatever you may call it. You could get it from Amazon or eBay. I've got this one from one of the online vendors. I googled it and I just thought that this one would be really good. So I'm just going to unbox it and show you guys what comes inside it and how to install a 2.5-inch hard drive into an hard drive enclosure, which would make life much more easier for you guys. This is the hard drive which I've ordered. Looks very neat and it's made out of plastic. Now most of the hard drive enclosures out there, the caddies, they are made out of metal, which is good. It's personal preference, but I like this brand. I've purchased from them previously. The good thing is that it's made out of plastic, so all it is, it just clips on very easily, and the circuit is not exposed, which is over here, and it's quite simple. So first of all, you just remove the cover. These are the ports. So one is the data port and one is the power port. I'll just show you guys over here, and what it does is it slides into the ports of the caddy. So let's go ahead and pop that in. So all you have to do is just literally slide that in like that, and it fits very nicely. And as you guys can see, it's just literally fit very quickly and nicely. And then just take the cover and just pop the cover over it and just lock it. That is why I purchased this drive, because there are no screws, there are no attachments. It just goes very easily, and it's a very handy drive. Looks really nice, really neat in material, matte finish, which gives a nice and a decent look. Obviously the performance is good, and it does have a light as well, LED, which tell you when the data is being transferred. Now this is not the only option to remove your data from your hard drive if your hard drive has crashed, because this is just one of the ways. If your hard drive is working, then you can connect it via the USB cable, which is generally supplied with the caddy. This is the USB cable which is supplied with the caddy. The blue shows that it's USB 3, which is a high-speed USB port. I'll just show you guys over here as well. So that's a high-speed port. So what this means is that you can connect it into one of the blue ports of your computer. Then you can transfer the data much more quickly as you would do it on a normal USB port. So that's how it is, and it also comes with this sort of foam. All you have to do is just, you can put it in the hard drive so that it just prevents a bit of shake. Probably put one underneath. You could just put it on the top, squeeze the case a little bit and just close it. So guys, this was my quick video for the installing a 2.5-inch hard drive into a caddy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, follow me on Twitter. Apart from that, leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you liked it, give it that thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next video. So bye for now, guys.